If you're experiencing account sync issues in Rocket League, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page to ensure that there are no ongoing maintenance or outages affecting account sync. If the servers are down, wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Completely close Rocket League and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing sync issues. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is unstable, try resetting your router. Step 4. Relink your accounts. If you're using a platform like Steam, Epic Games, or PlayStation, try unlinking and then relinking your account. Go to the settings in Rocket League, navigate to the account section, and follow the prompts to unlink and relink your account. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Rocket League support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about your issue, including any error messages you may have received. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your account sync issues in Rocket League. If problems persist, keep an eye on updates from the developers for further solutions.